If you're trying to make money on TikTok right now, almost every video you're watching is giving you advice that is dangerously outdated. They're still talking about the 2023 Creator Fund. And guys, that's a ghost story. It's like trying to navigate London today using a map from the 1800s. It's just not going to work. The entire game changed in February 2026. After the new US investor deal with Oracle and Silver Lake, the algorithm was completely retrained. The old way of going viral is dead, but the new way is actually much better for beginners. In this video, I'm not giving you tired, generic ideas. I'm giving you the 2026 Operators Playbook. I've broken it down into a simple 5-tier roadmap that anyone can follow. Tier 5 is the search value hack. In 2026, TikTok no longer just pays you for having eyes on a screen. It pays you for the value of those eyes. The rule for the Creator Rewards program is simple. Your videos must be over 60 seconds. But here is where beginners fail. They make a 61-second video about their morning coffee. Nobody is searching for your coffee. To win here, you need to use the Creator Search Insights tool. Open your app, go to Creator Tools, and find the Search Insights tab. You are looking for one thing: high opportunity gaps. These are specific keywords and questions that thousands of people are typing into the search bar, but there are no high-quality videos answering them. The operator action. When you find a high opportunity gap, for example, how to set up an AI agent for Shopify, you are going to record a 61-second direct-to-camera answer. The math. Why does this matter? Because search traffic is high intent. Advertisers pay more to be seen by someone searching for a solution than someone just mindlessly scrolling. This is how you boost your RPM from 40 cents to over $1.10. You aren't going viral, you are ranking. That is how you build a baseline of $2,000 to $5,000 a month just from the rewards program. Tier 4 is the performance affiliate model. In the past, you needed 5,000 followers to even look at TikTok Shop. In 2026, that barrier is gone if you know about the short pilot program. This allows creators with as few as 1,000 followers to begin earning commissions. But listen to me, do not just pick a random product because it looks cool. That is what amateurs do. Operators use agentic product research. The operator action: use a tool like Pipiads or TabCut to look for conversion velocity. You want products that aren't just getting views, but are generating at least 50 sales a day for other affiliates. Once you find a product, let's say it's a smart AI desk lamp, you aren't going to make a review. You are going to create a problem-solution loop. The hook: show the problem. Eye strain while working at night in the first 1.5 seconds. The solution: introduce the lamp as the hero. The call to action: tell them exactly where the link is in the TikTok shop. By targeting products with high search volume, you combine the Tier 5 search strategy with Tier 4 commissions. You're getting paid by the rewards program and the shop commission at the same time. Now we're getting into the bigger money. Tier 3 is scalable UGC. In 2026, brands have realized that $50,000 agency commercials don't work. They want relatable content. The mistake most beginners make is selling one video for $200 or $500. That's a job, not a business. You want to turn your content into digital real estate. The operator action: you are going to sell rights managed UGC. When a brand reaches out to you or you pitch them, you don't just give them a video, you give them a license. Your pitch is this: it's $500 for the video plus $500 a month for the Spark ad usage rights. This allows the brand to put money behind your video to run it as an ad. The math: if you are an operator, you aren't looking for one-off deals. You want 10 clients paying you content rent. If you have 10 brands paying you $500 a month in rent for videos you already made, that is $5,000 a month in semi-passive income. You've moved from being a creator to being a landlord of your own content. Tier 2 is where you stop being an affiliate and start being an owner. TikTok Shop is now a $130 billion ecosystem. If you are still just drop shipping from a website, you are behind. When a product hits a high conversion velocity, you don't just keep taking a 15% commission. You source it, brand it, and put it in your own TikTok shop to keep the 70% margin. The actionable system: to do this as a beginner, you must leverage AI. Use TikTok's AI seller assistant to automate your shipping labels and logistics. Use Gorgeous AI to handle 100% of your customer service and returns. In 2026, you can run a 7-figure brand with 0 employees because the AI agents handle the grunt work. Your only job is to analyze the data and scale the winners. This is the video to Stripe funnel. Finally, Tier 1, the media owner. This is the ultimate goal. In 2026, the algorithm has been retrained to prioritize retention and accuracy over personality. This means you don't even need to show your face to build a multi-million-dollar business. The operator action. You are going to build a Reddit to revenue pipeline. 1. Use Clippy AI or InVideo AI to ingest high-performing Reddit threads, news articles, or niche stories. 2. Use ElevenLabs to generate a professional narrator voice. 3. Use Runway Gen 3 to create cinematic, high-retention visuals that look like a Netflix documentary. One person can now run 10 different faceless accounts across 10 different niches: history, finance, true crime, AI news. By posting 3 times a day on each, you are casting a massive net. These accounts feed into the Tier 5 rewards program and the Tier 4 affiliate program. You are building a media empire that runs 24/7 while you sleep. To make any of these 5 tiers work, you have to understand how the 2026 AI reads your content. There are 4 rules you must follow. The hook, microvisual shock. You have exactly 1.5 seconds. In 2026, a verbal hook isn't enough. You need a visual shock, a sudden movement, a color shift, or a glitch effect to stop the thumb. Retention, rewatch engineering. TikTok rewards, total playtime. Hide a small detail, like a secret text box or a hidden image, and mention it briefly. People will scrub back to find it. That rewatch tells the AI your video is 10/10. SEO, the transcript hack. TikTok's AI now listens to every word. You must say your primary keywords like make money online or TikTok shop in the first 5 seconds. This ensures the AI indexes your video for the right search terms. The loop, the infinite circle. Your last sentence should flow perfectly into your first sentence. If your completion rate is over 90%, the algorithm will never stop pushing your video to the For You page. Look, let's be real one last time. The opportunity in 2026 is massive, but only for the people who treat this like a business, not a hobby. The gurus will keep giving you the 1800s map, but you now have the operator's playbook. You have the 5 tiers. You have the AI tools. You have the algorithm engineering. There is no excuse left. If you're ready to stop chasing pennies and start building a real system, I want you to pick one tier and start today. Don't try to do all 5 at once. Start with Tier 5 or Tier 4, master it, and then scale. If you found this valuable, do me a favor, hit that like button for the fam, and comment operator below, so I know who's actually going to take action. I'm Kamal Sattar. I'll see you in the next one.